This is Elton Santana from Davenport Realty. Let's talk about the market. Many experts are warning that Canada has been in a big housing bubble for a while. The expectation was that today there will be some increase in the interest rate, but the Bank of Canada decided to maintain the very low rate of 0.25%. Everything we are following is just not making any sense. High unemployment rate and rising property prices? It should be the other way around, right? In addition to what you may have heard about why the demand for real estate has risen so much, I have one more curiosity for you. Everyone knows that the inflation is likely to rise in the near future. So, if you do a 1.5 financing per year, fixed for 5 years, and tomorrow inflation goes up to, let's say, 2%, then it's basically the same as telling you that you are being paid to borrow money. This makes a lot of people consider buying a house because it's being financed below inflation in a span of 5 years. And what is happening with mortgage interest rates? Well, some banks have already started raising their mortgage rates due to the increase in the 5-year government bonds. This indicator is used as a reference for the fixed interest rates for real estate financing. It didn't rise much, only 0.25%. But what does that mean in numbers? Let's assume that you can pay $2,000 per month for a mortgage. This means that if before you could buy a $636,000 house, now you'll be able to buy a maximum of $616,000. So your money lost $20,000 in purchasing power. What if it keeps going up? What can you do as a buyer? Ideally, you should look for a mortgage broker to pre-approve you with a low interest rate and keep you pre-approved at that rate for the next 90 to 120 days. That way, even with interest rates going up in the coming months, you don't change your purchasing power. What if you're thinking of selling? What if interest rates continue to rise? Well, in the beginning, it won't make much difference because there will be a lot of pre-approved buyers at lower rates. But little by little, we can start to see a drop in the amount of bids for the same house. There is also the expectation that we will have more properties for sale on the market with the arrival of spring, which may put a brake on the prices. The search for real estate in the Waterloo region remains insane. This week, one of my clients made an offer to buy a house, but there were another 17 offers. Possibly, we will not see much change in the upcoming months until the summer begins, but we will continue to follow. Get in touch. I'll be glad to talk about real estate with you.